Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Priceline. This is especially useful if you're traveling internationally or simply prefer to see hotel prices in your local currency rather than US dollars. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Priceline.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search field labeled Where To at the center of the screen. Click on this field and type in your destination city. This could be any city you're planning to visit, whether it's New York, London, or Tokyo. Next, you'll need to select your travel dates. Look for the calendar icons next to the destination field. Click on the check-in date first and choose when you'll be arriving. Then click on the checkout date and select when you'll be leaving. These dates help Priceline show you accurate availability and pricing for your stay. After setting your dates, you'll see options to specify the number of rooms and guests. Enter how many rooms you need and how many people will be staying. Once you've filled in all these details, click the Find Your Hotel button. The site will now begin searching for available hotels that match your criteria, so give it a few seconds to load all the results. Now here's where the currency change comes in. Once your search results have loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You'll notice a currency button positioned right beside what's called the penny button. This currency button is your key to switching how prices are displayed throughout the site. Click on that currency button and a pop-up menu will appear showing you a list of available currencies. This menu typically includes major currencies from around the world, such as euros, British pounds, Australian dollars, Japanese yen, and many others. Browse through the options and select your desired currency by clicking on it. After you've made your selection, give the site a few moments to update. Priceline will automatically refresh the page and convert all displayed prices to your chosen currency. This means every hotel listing, deal, and price you see from this point forward will be shown in the currency you selected, making it much easier to understand exactly how much you'll be spending in familiar terms. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency on Priceline, allowing you to browse and book hotels with prices displayed in a format that makes sense for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.